Hello. All right, we are on Unit 1, Week 4, Day 2 of Wonders. All right, yesterday we were talking about what do friends do together. So, do you remember what are some things that we do together with our friends? We might play outside. We may play with Play-Doh. We may build with Legos. All kinds of fun things, right? That's what friends are for. We do fun things together. All right, here is one of our vocabulary words. Do you know what this word is? This word is chore. Can you say it with me? Chore. There's been collect. You collect. Whatever is to you today. So, here we go. Let me find it. There we go. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Oh, can't hear it. Hold on just a second. Let me turn my volume up.
Games that children play.
All right, let's start over.
Games long ago. What games did children play long ago? How are they like games children play today? Kids today have toys and games that children long ago couldn't even imagine. But kids still play some games that have been played for many years. Marbles is one of the oldest games of all. The first glass marbles were made in this country over 100 years ago. Children play them after their chores were done. Why have kids loved this game for so long? Small, round marbles are fun to look at and to collect. They come in a variety of colors and sizes. Marbles can look like cat's eyes or even bumblebees. Marbles are also fun to play. In one game, kids try to knock the other player's marbles out of a circle. The player who is first to knock out 7 marbles wins. Children have always loved to race again. Running and bike riding are 2 ways to race with your friends. But did you know that children also race in homemade cars? This was true long ago. It is still true today. Years ago, children raced in cars they built themselves from wood. These cars did not have engines. They coasted downhill until they stopped. The cars were called soap box cars. What does a car have to do with a box of soap? Soap boxes were made of wood years ago. Kids used these boxes to build the seat of the car. It rolled along on roller skate wheels. Kids today still build soapbox cars. They work with their friends and family to make them. They still enter soapbox races too. Families sometimes travel to races together. The races help build relationships in the family. Parents, brothers, and sisters help the driver get ready for the race. Then they cheer the driver on. The materials used to build the cars today are fancier than they were long ago, but one thing has not changed. The cars still coast downhill. They don't need power. Jump rope has been a popular game for hundreds of years. People didn't always use ropes for jumping, though. The people of early Egypt jumped over vines for fun. It was Dutch people who brought the game of jump rope to America long ago. You can jump rope alone or with friends. When friends jump together, 2 kids turn the rope so others can jump. The 2 kids turning the rope need to turn it in circles at the same time. They need to cooperate and work together. There are many jump rope rhymes. Here is one. My name is Annie, and my husband's name is Adam. We come from Alaska, and we sell apples. My name is Ben, and my wife's name is Betsy. We come from Boston, and we sell bananas. If you try jumping to this rhyme, see how far you can get in the alphabet without making a mistake.
How is a kite like a doll? Give up? Children have been playing with both of these toys for over 1,000 years, and they are still popular today. Kite flying probably started in China. Chinese people stretched paper or silk over the stems of a plant called bamboo to make their kites. They flew them at the Chinese New Year and in the spring. Kids today still like to fly kites on windy days. In a park or at the beach, it is fun to see how long you can keep a kite in the air. The Native American girl in the smaller picture was from the Crow Nation. She was photographed about 100 years ago. She is holding her doll. Then and now, friends have loved to play with dolls. They dress their dolls up and take them places. They act out stories with them. The first dolls were very simple. They were made from clay, wood, animal bones, and other things. Parents made them. They carved dolls from wood or made them from rags or paper. Today, factories make dolls and deliver them to stores. Dolls come in many shapes and sizes. There are dolls that can walk, talk, and open and close their eyes. There is a doll for everyone.
All right, so we play some of the same games that they did back in the old days. I think that's so cool. We jump rope, right? You guys play with marbles. It may be a little bit different, right? We play with kites. Some of you build the little cars, the box soap cards for Cub Scouts. So yeah, we play some of those games still today. All right. Now, let's say the sounds on our fingers. So we're going to tap. Are you ready? Here we go. On, on. O, ot. Let's do it a little faster. O, ot, lot. Here we go. S, o, ot, slot. Oh, that one had 4 sounds. All right, let's do another one. O, k, lock. K, o, k, clock. B, o, k, block. J, b, job. P, ot, pot. Mom. Very good. All right, do you remember what letter we're focusing on this week? That's right, O. We're focusing on the short O sound. And short O says ah, like in fox. All right, let's learn some more words. Are you ready? Get those arms ready and those fingers ready. Here we go. Hog, hog. O, ot, lot. G, ot, got. Ot, pot. All right, now we are going to spell some of these words. All right, so what is this? It's a corn on the what? Cob. Let's tap it. Ready? K-ob. Can you tell me how to spell it? What says k? C. Good job. What says ah? O. What says b? B. So we could write C O, B. Very good. All right. Let's see. What is covering this house right here? Do you know what that is? That's fog. Let's tap it. Fog. Fog. What's that first sound we hear in fog? What says that? F. Good job. So F would go in our first box. Okay, what's our second sound in fog? What says ah? Oh, so O would go in our second box. What's our last sound? G, G. What says G? G. So to spell fog, it would be F-O-G. All right, what is this third picture of? Do you know what this is? It's a fishing, what is that? Rod. Did you say rod? All right, let's sound it out. Rod. R-I-D. Rod. What was our first sound? What says R. So R would go in the first box. What says ah? Oh, good job. And your last sound, what is it? D. What says D? D. R-O-D. Spells rod. All right. Let's see. All right, we're going to go ahead and talk about our high frequency words. All right, so we've already learned these, so we're just going to review them. I'm going to go speedy fast. I'm going to point to a word and you're going to say it with me. Are you ready? Get ready. Here we go. Fun. Make. To. They. Okay, I'm going to go all out of order. Are you ready? Here we go. Make. They. Fun. To. One more time. Are you ready? They. To. Make. Fun. Good job. I hope you've been practicing your sight words. All right, now we have to fill in the blank with our high frequency words or your sight words. All right, here we go. Blank, like to jump. What word would go there? Let's see. Fun, let's try it. Fun, like to jump. Does that make sense? No. Let's try this one. Make. Make, like to jump. No, that doesn't make sense. All right, let's try another one. Let's try this one. They. They like to jump? Yeah, that makes sense. So they like to jump. Very good. Okay, now we've already used they, so we don't need to use it again. All right, here we go. It is blank to hop. Let's start at the top. What's this word? Fun. Let's try it. It is fun to hop. Does that make sense? Yeah. All right, let's read that one more time. It is fun to hop. Very good. All right. Now we've used fun and we have used they, so we can't use those again. All right, here we go. Mom can jog blank. Let's try make. What do you think? Let's try it. Read it with me. Mom can jog make. Does that make sense? No. Let's try another one. Our other word is what? To. Mom can jog too. Good job. That makes sense. All right, let's try our last one. The only word that we haven't used is make, so let's make sure that it makes sense. All right, here we go. Dad can blank a cake. Dad can make a cake. Yeah, that works. Good job. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.